Hi, Mr. Woods here, and today we're going to be talking about how to express the way we feel in a positive way, okay? So here's our layout for today. So we're going to do our zone practice tool. Today's Wednesday, so it'll be Workout Wednesday. Two, what we'll do next is we'll do a warm up, and this will be on your seesaw activity for today. Comfortable versus uncomfortable. And then our learning today will be I feel statements and how to use them. And then, of course, we're always going to practice our new tools and skills. Okay. So, being that today is Wednesday, it is Workout Wednesday, and I always want you to practice a zone tool every time we check in or every time I join your class. So, if you have an idea of something you would like to do as far as like Workout Wednesday, or you can try this riddle as well. I know that's a Thinking Thursday type of thing, but if you're interested in that, go ahead and give that a shot as well, and I'll read that. So for your workout Wednesday, you can do jumping jacks, monster jumps, running in place, wall push-ups, wall sit-ups, or wall squats or sit-ups. Okay, so if you feel like you want to record yourself doing that, feel free to do that. And then always we want to end with some type of deep breathing. Okay, so we got the lazy eight, the five finger breaths or volcano breaths. We have birthday candles. You have the tree. You have balloon breaths, belly breathing, all types of deep breathing. Okay. So try one of those out. And again, if you want to record yourself doing that, feel free. Um, for the riddle, it is what is owned by you but used more by others. So I want you to think about that. What is owned by you but used more by others? All right. So some of our definitions and our key things to remember for today. The first one is emotion, a feeling inside that is meant to tell you something about your situation and gives you the motivation and energy to do something about it. Okay. So we all have emotions and we all have feelings. And those drive how we act or react to certain things when we are in situations. Some of us might shut down and be very quiet. Some of us might yell. Some of us might even hit, or some of us might just cry. And the goal of today is to learn how to use our "I feel" statements to communicate how we are feeling in a positive way. Our next word is comfortable, and this is feelings that make you feel good. They help you enjoy life and have fun. Most of us, if we are comfortable with a situation, we are normally in the green zone, which leads us to our next word, which is uncomfortable, which is a feeling that makes you feel not good. Okay. However, they can help you grow and change for the better. And they help you realize and appreciate your comfortable feelings. Okay. So when we're uncomfortable, we may be in the yellow, blue, or even the red zone. Okay. But the key thing about being uncomfortable is an opportunity to grow because you can learn from uncomfortable situations. So, for example, Mr. Woods would be uncomfortable if he was driving a semi truck. Those are the trucks that have 16 wheels. I've never driven one before, so that would be an uncomfortable situation for me. However, if I can push through that situation and show grit, I would have learned a new skill, which is how to drive a semi truck. So for our warm up, it would be comfortable versus uncomfortable. And look out for this on your seesaw activity. So what I want you to do is add a C or a U next to these words, depending on if you think it matches the word, matches comfortable or uncomfortable. So the words are happy, lonely, worried, proud, embarrassed, or anxious slash nervous. Okay, so make sure you put a C or a U next to the word if you think that word means something is comfortable or uncomfortable. And then finally, our learning for today is I feel statements. And I have an activity related to this on your seesaw also. So I feel statements are used to take ownership of for one's feelings rather than implying that they are caused by another person. So I feel statements give us the opportunity to express the way we feel without blaming others. Okay. And so an example of that would be I feel sad when I don't get to see my family back in Florida. So I'm not blaming my family for me feeling sad that I don't get to see them. And instead, I'm taking ownership of